Hi everybody, welcome back to our lesson 3 on plants and plant care. Today we're going to be talking about the parts of a plant. And there's 3 primary parts to the plant. There are the roots, there is the stem, and there are the leaves. And that's what we're going to be learning about today, okay? So take a look at this old plant that I saved. This is unfortunately a dead plant, but as you can see the bottom of the plant, these are the roots of the plant here, and this is what goes into the ground. And the roots, we learned in another lesson, they spread through the ground and they're located at the bottom of a plant, and the roots spread all through the soil. So let's get a close up here of the soil. They spread up all through the soil, and that's where the plant gets all its nutrients from, and that's where it gets all the water from, and it absorbs all of that and it goes into the plant. The roots also act as an anchor. So imagine if we were to put our fingers into the plant and we wanted to hold on to the soil. If someone was to pull us away from it, that's what the roots do. They act as an anchor to keep the plant in the ground so it doesn't move, okay? The second part of the plant are the stem, and this is the stem over here. Okay, the stem is what attaches to the roots, and the stems stand nice and tall, and they're above the ground, and they carry all the nutrients and the water to the rest of the plant. All right, so if you look at this plant down here, my daffodils, you can see here how the daffodils, the stem right here is keeping the plant nice and tall and strong. Now, some stems are bendy and bendable and soft like a plant stem, right? So you can see that here. But some stems, come on over here, like a tree trunk, this is a stem in itself. So a tree trunk stem is no different. It is hard and it is woody. And this stands nice and tall, right? And that's what takes all of the water, the nutrients up to the plant. The last thing we're going to talk about are leaves. And the leaves, these are the leaves on the daffodil. And what the leaves do is they absorb the sunlight. And we talked about that. They take that sugar, that glucose, it turns energy of the sun into glucose and sugar, and it feeds the plant. They also help bring air and water into the plant as well, right? So we're going to talk about 2 more things before we move on and show you this picture here. This is a picture of a simple leaf. And a simple leaf, here's my stem. A simple leaf is when one leaf is attached to the stem, right? So here's another leaf that's attached to the stem, but they all are separated. That's a simple leaf. This is an example of a compound leaf. And a compound leaf has many leaflets attached as petiole. And this is what this is here. So you can see this is one stem, but there's many leaves on that one stem, right? And this is the stem right over here. So today we learned about the 3 different parts to a plant. We learned that plants have roots, stems, and leaves. And for homework, I want you to watch the Google Slides presentation, and there's some activities there for you to do, okay? So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.